Hello, we ocho clip or no diga de the nyane book or the gonyauti or made up. The twin me channel. The Nya had guacoloac or Corano.
Hello everybody, good day. Today we're going to come together and eat some coyote and chicken and pig as well as some rice and fish paste. So it's gonna be awesome. Stick around.
Quả là gì ạ?
Hả?
I can never tell what part of
I just throw it in and eat it.
I'm kind of a fan of the pepper. Really? Is it good?
It's not. It's spicy. The only thing about meat is it has good seasoning.
I don't really like that. Wait, but you put the fish paste. Fish is spicy. Yeah, that might be bad.
Stuff like this.
lên chim mẹ tè có lên nạp chân ní là đâu cho lên nạp chân ní là đâu
Ủa, quý nào? Quý à?
mà lên nạp chân này
Nhiều chi quý. Ở bé. Có quý khá là lắm. Or twin me back. Âu già rồi. Âu già.
Ovi?
Đúng rồi. Tập được. Âu già tram ư?
Yeah, we do mom.
Ba.
Okay, like this.
Nó là chưa ở xí à?
Đúng rồi.
Xí à? Để tao nó.
I swear that every day. You'll never mount. Sorry.
để cho nó dễ
Fuck long. Like I'm gonna do it. What? It's like
I kind of want try that one. I'm kind of scared.
Okay.
This.
That's good.
No.
It's just okra. I think it's just
Like a,
fruit.
they serve it in all the like really southern restaurants, like fancy.
They like chop it up and do it like anything else.
Have you ever been to the Miller House? Miller House. It's over by the bridge.
Missouri?
No. No. Really?
No, what's it called? Miller House? Well, when we went, you know, it was literally. Did you like the mellow mushroom when we went? That joint was an acid trip.
Yeah, they have those in Utah, so.
I'm like, what's going on?
I thought it was pretty normal.
I thought it was, yeah, I didn't feel that weird.
Oh, wait, hold up.
Yeah, break that down.
I think I'm so weak with like I didn't like it, but I used to be able to eat fish face. Can't do it. Now I think it's I know what it tastes like. It's not bad. It's bad.
I think knowing where it's from.
I'll let you know. I didn't walk in the training and then what exactly quoted me.
And then threw me in it though. He did good. First week we ate Taco Bell like 5 times.
That's so good.
Hey,
We used to bake it for He does it. Not here. Taco Bell at the Korean restaurant is so good.
bro, the Thai restaurant. The problem is. But no.
Never with Ramada.
Really?
Really, excuse myself later.
Yo, what? For real? Did you? Oh, you came the one right after that? His head was black.
Nán được nữa.
So
Đi
this
lấy
is
dễ,
so
đi
good.
lấy.
Venti lolly.
Đây là
This may be one of my favorite crab dishes that I've ever had. Coyote? It's like sweet and savory all at the same time.
kho nhà này. Đây là cái su thi. Cho. Cái khay này thì cái su thi à? Yeah. Su thi cả đông. Kabisa. Nhìn thấy cái khay này.
Cali?
Vật cả lìa.
Tôi đã đủ tôi đủ rồi. Tôi phải đủ xong tôi còn tôi còn tôi ship lại.
Tôi đang nghĩ
ကြည့်တော့နော်တော့နော်တဲ့နော်
ကညောဖိုစီတပ်လူဒမာလန်ဟဲကွာကွာအောစကိုညောတီတော့ထွီမီတော့မညာစကောတပ်လူဒမာလန်ဟဲကွာမောယောဆိုေကိုက
Hello. Thank you so much for watching. We came and ate together. We ate coyote, we ate chicken, and fish paste. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Mingalaba, Jinzi, David.
Asala side W Doma.